What's going on. Brown water after installing a new water heater, here's what's going on. All right, so if you just installed a brand new hot water heater and suddenly your water looks brown or rusty, I get why that would be alarming. The first reaction most people have is thinking something is wrong with the new unit, but in most cases, this isn't actually a defect. What's usually happening is that when the new heater starts running, it disturbs sediment, rust, and buildup that's already sitting inside your pipes. That fresh water flow pushes everything around, and for a short time, it can make your water look discolored. So the issue isn't really the heater itself, it's what's been sitting in your plumbing system that's now getting stirred up. The good news is this is usually temporary and fixable without replacing anything. You just need to flush everything out properly. So let's go through the steps to clear it. First, turn on the hot water at all your faucets and let it run for a few minutes. This helps push out a lot of the loose sediment right away. Next, turn off the water heater and give it a little time to cool down. You don't want to be working with extremely hot water when you're flushing the tank. After that, attach a hose to the drain valve at the bottom of the heater. Make sure the other end of the hose is placed somewhere safe where the water can drain. Now open the valve and let the tank flush out. You'll usually see cloudy or rusty water at first, and that's exactly what you want to remove. Once it starts running clearer, go ahead and close the valve and refill the tank with fresh water. Then turn the heater back on and give it some time to heat up again. Finally, run the hot water again and check if it's clear. In most cases, after flushing, the discoloration should be gone. So overall, this isn't something to panic about. It's a common situation after installation, and it usually comes down to old residue being pushed through the system, not a problem with your new heater itself.